Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download from the Envato Elements for free, legal and safe way to get a high quality asset. No tricks. Number 1, go to the Envato Elements. Just visit their official site elements.envato.com and sign in or create an account. Then log in to continue. Then here you'll navigate to a free files, and once logged in, hover your cursor over the More tab in the top navigation bar. Then from the drop down, click on the free files and you have a download monthly free files. Every month, the Envato offers a selection of free files like templates, graphics, video asset, fonts, and more. Select any free files you want and click download. Agree to the terms and condition and file with the save to your computer. And the bonus tip. If you want unlimited access to everything on Envato Elements, you can consider subscribing. That includes a graphic, stock, videos, fonts, website, templates, presentations, and more. This usually a 7-day free trial for new users. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and explore more creative tools. Thanks for watching.